So if you're a person who's going to store your car for a long period of time, say months, weeks, and so on, you have to do what we call transport mode activation. This is a function that is in modern vehicles, whereby if you have a diagnostic machine and you connect to the car's computer and you activate what we call the transport mode activation parameter, the car goes into what we call a battery saving mode, and it disconnects or restricts given electrical components like power, seats, climate control, some lights, and so on. So this is done first of all to protect the battery from excessive drainage and to give it a good life. So if you're going to keep your car for a long time, or you're transporting it maybe from overseas, this is one of the functions that is commanded